Welcome to Wonderbox Jadui Pitara. In this video, we'll explore a series of interactive classroom activities designed to make learning hands-on, engaging, and meaningful. Kit includes 10 activities, focusing on numeracy, literacy, logical thinking, and creativity. Activity 1, Pace, 100, 10, and 1, Counters Manipulatives. Base 10 blocks help children understand numbers, counting, and place value through simple, hands-on learning. The smallest piece is a unit counter, and it stands for 1. When we join 10 of these small pieces, we get a strip, which equals 10. 10 strips joined together make a flat, which represents 100. For example, the number 136 is made up of 1 flat for 100, 3 rods for 30, and 6 cubes for 6 ones. Children can easily see how numbers are built and how each digit has its own place value, hundreds, tens, and ones. With base 10 blocks, abstract math becomes visual, concrete, and fun to learn. Activity 2. Wipe and clean clock manipulative. Using the clock manipulative, show children how to move the hour and minute hands. Ask them to match times to their daily routine, like wake up time or lunch break. This helps children understand how time works and connects learning to real-life activities. With a wipe clean surface, children can practice over and over again. Activity 3. Currency Manipulatives. Activity 3. Indian Currency Notes. Manipulative. Introduce children to Indian currency by identifying and sorting the notes. Set up a pretend shop where children can buy and sell using the play money. This playful experience helps them understand money value, addition, subtraction, and comparison. Activity 4. Tangram Shapes. Children with the 7 tangram shapes and challenge them to create different pictures or patterns. This activity develops spatial reasoning, geometry understanding, and creative thinking. Activity 5. Phonetic Classroom Card Game. This is an interactive classroom game to build phonics awareness playfully. The objective of the game is to make the first 3 words. Divide the cards into 2 piles, one with alphabet cards A, B, C, D, and the other one is with C, V, C word cards at IG and OB. Play this game with 2 to 4 kids. A game starts with 3 alphabet cards in a hand of each player. Player takes a turn and draws a card from the CVC pile and tries to make a word using the alphabet cards in their hand. If a player can make a word, he will score a point and keep a combination pair aside. Another player will follow the same steps above. The player who makes the first 3 words will win the game. This game builds reading fluency, sound blending, and vocabulary through interactive play. It's a wonderful tool for phonics practice and early literacy development. Activity 6. Sentence Building Activity. Give students a set of noun, verb, adjective, and pronoun types. Ask them to build simple sentences like I can sing and my teacher is in the school. Through play, children learn grammar structure, word sequencing, and sentence formation. Activity 7. Hindi Van and Bara Kadi. This activity is to practice Bara Kadi and strengthen reading and writing skills in Hindi. Let a child match the card with the correct matra to form words. Activity 8. Engineering Toolkit Wooden Puzzle. This activity is to encourage logical reasoning and design thinking. Discuss the use of each tool. Let the child pretend how these tools work. Activity 9. Strategy Board Game. Race to 10. Give each child a board to make their score and 3 cards to start the game. Place the card pile at one side and put 1 card face up to start the game. The objective of the game is to score 10 points against each card by making the same color card sequence. The bigger the sequence, the more points will be added on the scoreboard. The game can be made challenging by blocking the opponent's sequence. Activity 10. Jigsaw Puzzle. Set of 3 jigsaw puzzles to develop observational skills, thematic awareness, and problem solving. Encourage children to observe, match, and complete the pictures. Once finished, discuss what they see. Items in a supermarket, weather changes, or transport types. Each activity brings learning to life, making abstract concepts tangible and fun. With these kits, teachers can create joyful, engaging classrooms where every child learns by doing.